Welcome students. Last time in previous video we discussed about banding mode when class is given, right? Now see some examples are having data of the type below 20, below 40, below 60, below 80, below 100, right? Or sometimes you may get data like more than 10, more than 20, more than 30, more than 40, more than 50. Yes or no? Right? Now see, if data is like this, below or more than, or less than, or more than, then first of all we will have to write class to find the mode, because for mode we need model class. Okay, then we need F0, F1, F2, right? And also H, class size. Therefore, for such examples, first of all, we need to write class, right? Now see, if this is below 20, below 40, below 60, below 80, below 100, you understand that size is of 20. Okay, so it's obvious you understand it. What is size? So I am writing first class. Let's see. If below 20, it will be 0 to 20. Okay, right? Then below 40, that will be obviously 20 to 40. Below 60, 40 to 60. Below 80, yes, anyone please speak yourself. Speak yourself. Yes, very good. Some students must have spoken. Then 60 to 80. Then 80 to 100. Got it? Understood? If it is less than or below, first try to understand what is gap. See, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Gap is of 20. So if I write below 20, it's definitely 0 to 20. Gap is 20. Okay, this is very important. Now, see, below 20, 17. So this 17 is for 0 to 20 frequency. Below 40 is 22. So if this is below 40, 22, the below 40 is from 0 to 40. But for 0 to 20, 17 taken. Below 40 is 22 minus 17. 22 minus 17 how much? 18, 19, 20, 20, 25. This 5 you understood? Below 40 stands for, that is 0 to 40. And 0 to 40, 0 to 20 are 17. So above 20 and below 40 are out of 20. So 22 minus 17, 5. Clear students? Now see. Below 60, so below 60 is 29, and below 40 is 22. So this 22 contains 17. So see, 29 minus 22. 29 minus 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 7. Yes or? Right? Then below 80, 37 minus 29. Yes, 29, 37 minus 29. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 8. Okay, now see, below 100, 50. So this 50 includes all 37. 37 includes 29. 29 include means contains 22. Yes or? So below 100 is 50 minus 37. So 37, 38, 39, 40. Then 10, 30. Okay, so below 100 total are 50. Then see students, if you add this should be 50. Check. 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 7, 19, 19 plus 8, 27, 27 plus 3, 30, 3 carry, 4, 5. Clear? Very good. Then see you got total frequency. Now you got class. For banding mode, we need model class. Model class is what? Highest frequency. So what is highest frequency? 70. Yes or no? This is model class. The students should clear. Model class is 0 to 22. Model class, example 1, this is 1. Model class equal to 0 to 20. Clear? Then the same frequency, whatever it is, highest frequency is F1. Right? Then after that, F2. Then what is F0? 0. Below this, there is nothing, means F0 is 0. If I write 0 to 20, then below this, definitely will write as minus 20 to 0. So up to that, no one is there, 0. Is it clear, student? If it appears like this, first class is model class, very good. F1, that is model class. Before F1, there is nothing, so F0 is 0. Clear? Then after this, F2. Now we got what is H? 20. What is L? 0. Okay? F0, 0. F1, 17. F2, 5. Clear? Very good. Now see. I hope you understood. Important of this example is writing class, writing frequency. We subtract. Okay? Now second example, see. More than 10. More than 20. More than 30. More than 40. More than 50. So definitely, see, try to understand what is gap. Gap is of 10. So more than 10 means 10 to 20. So class is 10, 20. More than 20, 20 to 30. More than 30, 30 to 40. More than 40, 40 to 50. More than 50, 50 to 60. Right? Did you understand? In these examples, my dears, all of you, important is writing class, frequency. In more than writing class, आपको पता है gap is of 10, 10 to 20. So I wrote class. Now frequencies. More than 10. More than 10 means maybe 20, 30, 40, 50 also. Yes or no? So this 44 is there. 44 includes all. 44 includes this 40. So more than 10. So 10 to 20. So I will take 44 minus 40. 4. Getting? Yes. Because more than 10 में 44 है तो ये 40 भी आएगा उसमें. 40 is also coming. So now see, more than 20 is 40. So it includes this 32 also. So take 20, 30, 40 minus 32, 8. More than 30, 32. It includes 22. So I 30 to 40 I take 32 minus 22. How much? 10. More than 40, 22. More than 40 में ये भी आता है. So I will take 10. 22 minus 10. That is 40 to 50. 22 minus 10. 12. Is on. Then more than 50, 10. More than 50, 10. So that is 50 to 60, 10. Now see, students, try to add. You come to know this. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4 is total. In more than 10, whatever is first figure, that is total. In less than or below 20, whatever is last figure, that is total. Please understand this. Now, we will take model class. Model class highest frequency 12. So this is your model class. In this example, model class. This is example 2. That is 40 to 50. This frequency of model class is F1. Before that F0. After that F2. Okay? So write 6, L equal to 40, H equal to 10, F0 equal to 10, F1 equal to 12, and F2 equal to 10. Yes, students, did you understand this? Please be friendly, open to speak. Unless you are listening, involving yourself, you cannot mold yourself. Be independent, only you and me. Anyone trying to interrupt you, tell you something other way, please let me know. I will solve your problem in presence of you. Okay, now see, we got this. Now you are familiar with formula mode L plus. Yes, very good. Write formula L plus. Tell me anyone, you know formula mode. Okay, so you find these values. Important of this less than, more than, class and between these two columns. And you can write formula of mode, put the value, this all, and let me know the answer. We will send answer of both examples. Okay, fine. So in next video we will explain about finding median. Okay, next video we will learn about finding median.